In this video, we will learn how to put questions on your TikTok. So let's begin. So to add question or add poll on TikTok, the process is same for Android as well as iPhone. So just go and open your TikTok app. Once the app is open, just go and create a video by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom. So in the mid, tap on it, and here just go and make your TikTok in whatever style you want to make it. So once you have made it, go to the you can edit it here. Go to the next screen by clicking on this tick icon at the bottom right corner. Now just go and click on this stickers at the bottom corner. Once you click on that, you would see a poll here. Tap on poll, and here you can ask any question, whatever you want. So for example, whatever you want, just go and ask in here and click on done. So here you can just go and click on next to post it on your, you can describe the video, who can see you, put in all the settings, hashtags and tagging the friends, and just go and click on post. So hope it helps, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.